Our planet is warming. This warming, called global warming, is happening at an alarming rate. The Earth's average temperature has increased significantly over the last century. This change is primarily due to human activities. We are altering the delicate balance of our planet's atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps Earth warm enough to support life. Sunlight enters the atmosphere and warms the Earth's surface. Some of this heat radiates back towards space.
Greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap some of this outgoing heat, preventing it from escaping into space. This trapped heat keeps our planet warm. Human activities are releasing large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This increase in greenhouse gases is trapping more heat, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. This enhanced greenhouse effect is the primary cause of global warming.
Carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas. It is released into the atmosphere through natural processes like respiration and volcanic eruptions.
However, human activities are significantly increasing carbon dioxide levels. Burning fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, is the primary source of human-caused carbon dioxide emissions. These fuels are burned for electricity generation, transportation, and industrial processes. Deforestation also contributes to higher carbon dioxide levels. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so cutting down forests reduces the planet's ability to remove carbon dioxide naturally.
Methane is another potent greenhouse gas. Although present in smaller amounts than carbon dioxide, methane is much more effective at trapping heat. Human activities are responsible for a significant portion of methane emissions. Agriculture, particularly livestock farming, is a major source of methane. Cows and other ruminant animals release methane during digestion. Landfills and waste decomposition also release methane. As organic matter breaks down in the absence of oxygen, methane is produced. Section 5. Nitrous oxide. A silent contributor, nitrous oxide, while less abundant than carbon dioxide and methane, is a potent greenhouse gas with a long atmospheric lifetime.
Human activities have significantly increased its concentration in the atmosphere. Agricultural practices, particularly the use of nitrogen-based fertilizers, are the largest source of human-caused nitrous oxide emissions. When these fertilizers are applied to soils, microbes convert some of the nitrogen into nitrous oxide, which then escapes into the atmosphere.
Section 6. Deforestation, removing Earth's natural air purifiers. Forests play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, acting as natural carbon sinks. Deforestation, primarily driven by agriculture, logging, and urbanization, is reducing the planet's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. When forests are cleared or burned, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. Deforestation also disrupts ecosystems, reduces biodiversity, and impacts local weather patterns. Section 7. The domino effect of global warming, melting ice, and rising seas. Global warming has profound effects on our planet's cryosphere, the frozen parts of the Earth's system.
Rising temperatures cause glaciers and ice sheets to melt at an accelerated rate. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels. As global temperatures rise, the world's oceans absorb a significant amount of the excess heat. Warmer water expands, causing sea levels to rise further. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, infrastructure, and ecosystems.
Section 8. Extreme weather. A glimpse into a warmer future. Global warming is linked to an increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. These events include heat waves, droughts, floods, and intense storms.
As temperatures rise, the atmosphere can hold more moisture, leading to heavier rainfall and an increased risk of flooding. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and severe, posing risks to human health, agriculture, and ecosystems. Changes in atmospheric circulation patterns can lead to prolonged droughts in some regions.
Section 9. Adapting to a changing world, building resilience. Adapting to the impacts of global warming is crucial for minimizing risks and building resilience. Adaptation measures vary depending on the specific challenges faced by different regions and communities.
Coastal communities may need to invest in seawalls, elevate infrastructure, or relocate inland to cope with rising sea levels. Drought-prone regions may need to implement water conservation strategies, develop drought-resistant crops, and improve irrigation systems. Early warning systems for extreme weather events can help communities prepare and evacuate if necessary.
Section 10. Global cooperation, a shared responsibility. Addressing global warming requires international cooperation and collective action. International agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, provide a framework for countries to set emissions reduction targets and work together to combat climate change.
Sharing knowledge, technology, and financial resources can support developing nations in their efforts to transition to cleaner energy sources and adapt to climate impacts. Individual actions, while important, are most effective when combined with collective efforts at local, national, and global levels.
Section 11. Our legacy, our future. The choices we make today will determine the future of our planet. By understanding the causes and consequences of global warming, we can make informed decisions to mitigate its impacts. Transitioning to cleaner and renewable energy sources is crucial for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Embracing sustainable practices in agriculture, forestry, and other sectors can minimize our environmental footprint. Educating future generations about climate change will empower them to become stewards of our planet. The time to act is now. Let us work together to preserve the health and beauty of our planet for generations to come.